Hello guys, welcome back to HDev. In the last video, I introduced reactjs to you, and in this video we are going to be creating our first React app. If you missed out on the last video, please check it out. I'll leave the video link in the description. So let's start creating our app now. So to create React app, let me create a new folder here. Then open the folder. Then here I will type cmd here, then enter it. It will open up my terminal, my command prompt. Then in the folder I'll type npx create react app. That's npx create react app. Then you write the name of the app here, maybe anything you want to name your app. The name is up to you. Let me name it React Demo App, or let me give it a simpler name, just React Demo. Then you hit on enter. Oh, I'm sorry, let me pause the video. I'm sorry guys for stopping the video. My computer was not connected to the internet, that's why I stopped it. So I've now connected my computer, so let's continue from where we stopped. I say to create a React app, you type in npx create React app, then you write the name of the project. I named my own React Demo, as you can see it here, so I'll click on enter. Then wait for the app to install. It will take a while, so I'm going to pause the video. After the installation, I will continue from where we stopped. Okay, welcome back. My app have completely installed, so I have, you can see, just wait for yours to install completely before you can continue. So you can see mine now. After it has installed completely, you can cd into this type cd, then your project name. I create a React Demo, then you enter. After you have entered, you can see now inside the application folder now. Then inside the application folder, just type code, then full stop. If you are using Visual Studio Code, if you write code then full stop, then click on enter, it to open Visual Studio Code for you automatically. So let's do it like this. Or if you don't have Visual Studio Code, you can open your code editor, then manually navigate to where you created the app, then you can continue from there. But since I'm using Visual Studio Code, just wait for the VS Code to open. So it is opening now. So, and I want to apologize for my poor audio quality. I will do better later, but for now, please bear with me. Thank you. Just wait for it to open. It has opened. You can see the project name here, React Demo. Then you can see all these folders. For now, we are going to leave it like this, but later on, subsequent video, I will explain the use of all these folders for you. But for now, let me just run the application so that you can see. Let me open my terminal here. New terminal, set up a new terminal here. VS Code has its own terminal, so you can use its terminal for your stuff instead of the command prompt for you can use command prompt also, but VS Code terminal will make everything easier for you because you don't need to be opening command prompt separately. But it has opened. So in here now you can see we are still in the application folder React demo. Then here we are going to type npm start. This will also take a while to start, but let's wait for it. But just let me explain all the files here for you before the application opens. So here we have app.js, app.css for this. CSS is for the styling. Then app.js is, sorry, I opened app.css. So in here, if the application opens, you see this is the code responsible for everything that will be running on the default React application. So we can tweak the application from this side, but let's just wait for it to open before I can explain better. And there you see it for yourself. I think I'll pause the video so that the video will be a bit shorter. Yeah, the app is now opening. You can see it's starting the development server. You can see my browsers automatically open now. It's running on localhost port 3000. You can navigate to this URL if your browser doesn't open automatically. Just type in localhost 3000. It will open for you, but wait, it's still opening. The browser will load until the server have opened up completely. So let's wait for it. It won't take that much time again. Just let me still pause the video so that everything will be up and running before I continue. Okay, it has opened completely. You can see it here, it's running on localhost 3000. If your browser doesn't open automatically, you need to click Control, then click on Enter. It will open from here for you automatically. So you can see my browser that's opened. Yeah, look at it now. So from the app.js I showed you earlier, from here, that the code from here, that's what is powering the React template app that you're seeing. So if I edit something here, let me clean some content here, then maybe to change it to hello world. Then wait for it. You can see why the hello world I type here have taken effect here. You can see you can change whatever you want to change from here. Well, later on I'll tell you how to use it better and explain it better for you. But for now, you can see I can change. Let me remove the styling from here and you'll see what will happen now. Okay, you can see I've removed the style, so you can see the hello world here is I'm going to explain everything, how everything works better for you later on. So in the next video I'll be explaining components. Let's catch up in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel to get more related videos. Bye.